think what you do need to do, you just need to keep an eye on the tension of these. There you go, at least it'll keep it where we want it. So this will do your VHF radio and your AIS. You know the AIS, Automatic Identification System. A lot of the units can use one antenna. I think this is what we call like an Echo Max. What it will do is, if any ships have got a radar, when they send out their radar pulse, hits this, it amplifies it back out even stronger. Because you're such a small boat and you're very low in the water, is it can make it harder to see, so it kind of boosts the signal up. That will be your GPS receiver. That's the antenna for the sat phone, that one. I think you're going to have two batteries in here. So you've got a solar panel here and you've got a solar panel on the back. And what will probably happen, because I didn't wire this boat, is it's more than likely this panel might be wired to one of the batteries and that panel probably wired to the other battery.
Sure.
And then you can select what battery you want to use. On the system goes down, you've always got another one to fall back on. I'll give you a tip. Don't want any shadows on your solar panels. This, you want to keep this really clean. Top of bird shit there will knock it down. So if you've got this sticking up like this and the sun's over there and it casts a shadow at the top, it knocked the output down by up to a half. It's huge. They all work is that all the cells, they're all joined together in series. So like putting batteries together in series all in a line, you get one duff cell or one duff battery or one cell with a dob of bird shit in the top, and that one acts as a resistor. And so the others are trying to push the current through, and that one that's black can't. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah,
so that's what they all have to be clean. So if you're rowing, depending on where you're going, say you're going from the Canary Islands and you're going over to Antigua, the sun is going to be on your left hand side, which means that you want to put
on the right.
So exactly, you get it. So if you used to put the antenna over the other side,
Yeah.
all the way across, you'd be casting a shadow. Pretty basic, but yeah, keep them really clean, you know, and every day wash them. This was before I got here. This was built before I got here, this one. Top of the solar panel. And so it's always got a shadow up here. So it doesn't, so now we don't fit this at all.
Generation 2.
When I looked at it, I thought, why are they doing that? So I think that's you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No worries, nice to meet you. And have fun.